6557 35th Avenue Southwest. Doing a camera inspection from the toilet flange. Sitting at the city main, there's a stub right there, a little bit offset there on our side. This would be where the liner would end, right here within 1 foot of the city main. Zero out my footage real quick. Come back through here. Coming through 6-inch diameter pipe right now. It's concrete pipe through this section. It's all out underneath 35th Avenue Southwest. Got a busy arterial. There's our 4x6 transition right there. It's 60 feet back. I am going to go locate this spot real quick. I'm going to pause the recording. Alright, this has been located 3 feet deep in behind the retaining wall on the left-hand side of the driveway when you're walking out. From here back, 60 feet of 6-inch liner needed. Tie in on the right hand side of the screen there. I'm gonna go locate this real quick. Alright, located this. This will be the end of the liner material needed. This is the only tie-in coming from the front of the house. So 8 feet of 4-inch liner material needed. And then this is all transitioned to cast, and now we're in cast all the way back.